Ever wondered how motorcycle fuel tanks are made? Let's take a look at the process. It all starts with a flat sheet of metal. Using a template, precise markings are made to ensure the right shape and size. Then a massive pair of industrial scissors trims the sheet to match the markings. The cut metal pieces are pressed into a mold, giving them the iconic fuel tank shape. Excess metal is carefully trimmed off to ensure a smooth and precise fit. A machine welds the bottom part of the tank, creating a strong, airtight seal. Then it's ready for packaging, one step closer to fueling your next ride.